laki.
Game one in overtime. Jazz trying to even the series. Mitchell down the lane with a kick out, catch and shoot three. They made 5 straight threes. That is just Mitchell getting all his teammates involved.
Barton off the back of Jokic. Murray for three. Got it! Biggest shot of the ball game. Nuggets lead 107-100.
Rebound Brooks. Morant. Crowder. Lob for Morant. Finds Jerry for the jackhammer.
This is a cohesive unit defensively. Utah's pretty good, but one-on-one with Trey, it's giving them problems.
Definitely had fantastic touch around the net.
Oh my goodness, that's brilliant. Oh my goodness, that's brilliant. Way back. Just couldn't then change direction. What touch, what control.
That must go into the book of this match as one of the very, very best.
Good defense. Still got it.
He'll put that behind him. That's what he has to do anyway. Focus on the next point every time.
Kejurnas Atletik 2018 dihelat di Stadion Madia Gelora Bung Karno, Jakarta, Senin siang. Hari pertama kejurnas yang diikuti 1031 atlet ini mempertandingkan nomor lari 100 meter putra senior. Atlet proyek nomor lari 100 meter putri senior, atlet asal Jawa Barat mampu duduki podium pertama usai menorehkan waktu 11,99 detik. Pertandingan lainnya di nomor lari 100 meter putra U20. M. Fahru Rozi asal Jawa Barat menjadi yang tercepat dengan catatan waktu 10,84 detik. Sedangkan di kategori lari 100 meter putri U20, Liviana asal Jawa Tengah mampu menempati peringkat pertama atas torehan waktu 12,32 detik. Sedangkan rekan sedaerahnya mampu finish kedua yang diwakili.
The correct body position allows you to become more streamlined, improving your efficiency in the water. Keep your head in a neutral face-down position, directing your eyes 90 degrees below you to the bottom of the pool. This will help straighten your body while positioning it high in the water. Flatten your back and keep your body as flat as possible. Maintain a face-down head position, keeping your head still at all times unless lifting it to breathe, to the neutral face-down position. This will allow your arms to recover over the surface of the water back to the front of the stroke. Try using fins to help support your body and keep it positioned high in the water. The stronger your kick technique, the more propulsion you will achieve and the faster you'll be able to swim as a result. Start the dolphin kick by driving from your hips, kicking down through the water until your legs reach full extension. In this powerful movement, The legs should accelerate on the down kick towards the bottom.